Imagine it, you're driving on the busy interstate, rushing off to a work meeting, a playdate, wherever, and you drop your phone, with its oh so crucial Google Maps. Now you don't know which exit to take, so you're left fumbling around beneath your seat, cramming your hand between your seat and the center console, hoping your fingers might grasp your much-needed device. There are many products are available to selected best car seat gap fillers, each with different prices, characteristics, and benefits. To assist you in making a decision, I conducted a lot of research, read tons of reviews, and make a list of the best car seat gap fillers from reliable brands. After huge research, I found these much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, you can check my description. So, without any further delay, let's watch these videos. Number 1. The Drop Stop Seat Gap Filler. The Drop Stop Car Seat Gap Filler brands itself as the AUG seat gap filler and the first to be patented. As seen on Shark Tank, this device is uniquely designed to squeeze in around your seatbelt with a snug fit that doesn't allow nary a French fry to drop to your car's floor. The device fits most standard vehicles, no matter how large or small, and even though it boasts a super tight seal between your console and car seat, it's still flexible enough to move back and forth as you adjust your driver's seat for different drivers. The Drop Stop only comes in black, though most users don't find that this is an issue, as it fits so tightly into the car crevice that it doesn't really stick out. It's made with a neoprene case covering, which is easy to clean with just a little soap and water, and the interior is a hypoallergenic polyester fiberfill. Number 2. Paffenery Car Seat Gap Filler Organizer. If, though, you prefer something that's both budget-friendly and even more functional than the Drop Stop, you might want to check out this car seat organizer option available on Amazon. In addition to being a gap filler, this Paffenery car organizer also features multiple slots and holders to keep your most used items handy, including your car keys, phone, wallet, and cash. Plus, you get 2 gap fillers for both the driver's seat and the passenger side with one purchase. Customer reviews say they love the extra storage space and accessibility the front seat gap filler provides, and some even go so far as to say it's the greatest thing since sliced bread. Number 3. Sojoy Wedgee Car Seat Gap Filler. The Sojoy Wedgee Car Seat Gap Filler is a fantastic product that is designed to fill the annoying gap between your car's seat and the center console. This gap is often the cause of lost items and can be a major distraction while driving. The Sojoy Wedgee Car Seat Gap Filler is the perfect solution to this problem, and I highly recommend it to anyone who spends a lot of time in their car. The first thing I noticed about the Sojoy Wedgee Car Seat Gap Filler is how easy it is to install. Simply place it between the seat and the console, and you're done. The Wedgee is designed to fit most car models and sizes, so it's likely that you won't have any trouble fitting it into your car. One of the best things about this product is its ability to keep your items secure. With the Sojoy Wedgee Car Seat Gap Filler in place, you won't have to worry about losing your phone, wallet, or any other items in that pesky gap. The Wedgee is also made of high-quality materials, so you can rest assured that it will last a long time. Number 4. Supin Car Seat Gap Filler Pad. The Supin Car Seat Gap Filler Pad is a must-have accessory for any car owner who wants to keep their car clean and organized. This product is designed to fill the gap between the car seat and the center console, preventing small items such as cell phones, keys, and loose change from falling into the crevice. The Supin Car Seat Gap Filler Pad is made of high-quality PU leather material that is durable and easy to clean. The surface of the pad is anti-slip, ensuring that your belongings do not slide around during driving. The pad comes in a sleek black color that complements the interior of most vehicles, making it a perfect addition to any car. The installation of the Supin Car Seat Gap Filler Pad is straightforward and hassle-free. Simply slide the pad between the seat and the center console, and it will stay securely in place. The pad is designed to fit snugly in the gap, so you do not have to worry about it shifting or moving during use. Number 5. IOKONE Leather Car Cup Holder. If you like that the Supin Car Seat Gap Filler Pad above provides you with an extra cup holder, you'll love this option from IOKONE, which provides you with not one, but 2 extra cup holders. The larger, whiter, leather-covered gap filler also features a rectangular storage area for your phone and other items. One of the standout features of this cup holder is the premium leather exterior, which not only looks great, but also adds durability to the product. The leather is smooth to the touch and adds a touch of elegance to your car's interior. The interior of the holder is lined with soft foam to prevent your cups or bottles from moving around while you drive, keeping your drinks secure and spill-free. Another impressive feature of the IOKONE Leather Car Cup Holder is its universal fit. It is designed to fit most standard car cup holders and can accommodate cups, bottles, or even cans. The holder is also adjustable, allowing you to adjust the size of the holder to fit your cup or bottle perfectly. That is all from my end. I always try to make helpful videos daily, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you gather more information or get to know about product price, let's check out my video's description fast. For any problem, please comment below. Always keep updated with our great trading products as it will make your life simpler.